Hi everyone, Deb here. I'm here with a small haul from Pretty Pink Posh. Now, up until recently, honestly, I hadn't even heard of them, but I won a $30 gift certificate through Kendra's Card Challenge number 8. At the end of each quarter, she draws winners for each month's of cards, and I put mine in December. So I got in at the end of the quarter, but she has other drawings for individual sketches and things like that too, from a variety of companies that have agreed to generously give gifts, and I was so happy. So I went and watched a few videos of other people using Pretty Pink Posh to see what kind of things they had. And I got some things and I went $20 over, so $20 was on me. But thank you so much to Kendra, and thank you Pretty Pink Posh for sponsoring Kendra. And I'm so happy to have won. So one of the things I saw somebody using, or at least sharing, were these adorable, and she had like 3 or 4 different ones, and they had them on the website. But and also, by the way, as soon as I placed my order, or soon after, I got an email from Pretty Pink Posh thanking me for my order, and I thought that was really nice. And then I got a little thank you card as well. And they want to see your photos and videos of the creations using hashtag Pretty Pink Posh stamps. I didn't get stamps, but I did get some things I can share. So anyway, I thought these with the pink and white and the little strawberries in were just adorable. Um, I don't know what they just call it, strawberry shortcake mix. But I guess for shaker cards, or however, you could even just glue these little dots down. But the colors are cute, the pink and white, and then there's little bars in here too. And then the strawberries are what got me. I just thought that was adorable, so I got that. And they also sent me, isn't this cute? But they sent me, oh look, they even have that. Another sort of hot cocoa-y mix with strawberries and stuff. Anyway, there's a coupon on the other side, but I won't share that. And then everything else I got was stencils. So these, I'll show these first because these are individual stencils, meaning there's one layer. Easter eggs, which, Easter's coming up not too long from now already. Fireworks, and remember I just got some dies from another company that are fireworks, so now I have a stencil too. I think that's only one. Let me check. Because I'm never, yeah, that's only one. I wasn't sure because sometimes, the stars or whatever might be a separate one. And this is like autumn leaves. Do they have the name? Oh, it has it down here. Leaves background is what it's called. But I think that would be nice for fall, primarily. That's what I got it for, and I love fall. So, and I really didn't have much for New Year's and 4th of July. So I got them and that other die. And then Easter eggs. I thought that was so pretty. And you can just use blending brushes or daubers and get different colors, however you want to do it. So I'm planning on using those for sure. And then this one is appropriate for now. It is called, this is like a 3-layer one. Now the 3-layer ones are a little more expensive than the others, obviously. Maybe this is a 4-layer one. This is yeah, it is, your hearts. I'm going to leave it on the package because it has a darker background so you can see. And then you can put, little speckled like dots on some of the hearts. And then I guess, does it move over so that you can, yeah, kind of does. Not exactly. I would only do it partially. Or you can have stripes. Oh, I see. Stripes on those and dots on these. So when you layer them, you've got stripes and dots. Isn't that cool? Or you wouldn't have to. And then, or you can use the little conversation hearts. Hugs, I love you. Kiss, love, hugs, I love you. So that's really cute. I really like this. So that's for Valentine's Day, which, you know, I'm working on stuff like that now. So they came in really handy. So I saw that set, and there were 2 or 3 other ones that I was thinking about. Cherries was one of them, which was a 2 or 3 step. It was like the cherry and then the stem and then the leaves. I think it was 3 step. And that was really cute too, but I didn't think I'd use it as much, so I didn't get that one. But I'm kind of, maybe another time. Maybe another time I'll go back, and if they still have it, get that one. So that is my little haul from Pretty Pink Posh. Go check them out. They have a lot of cute mixes and a lot of great stencils, and they have other stuff too. I just didn't, I had to wait and see what else I had coming, and I really wanted the stencils. So yeah, that's what I got. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to go check out Pretty Pink Posh. Thank them again for sponsoring Kendra, and thank you, Kendra, for doing the whole card challenge. I'm going to be doing Kendra's card challenge number 9, which is current for January, February, and March. And I think it makes 15 cards. I think it's 15 this time instead of 17. Anyway, stay tuned for that, maybe towards the end of the month or possibly next month. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Hugs, love, and peace.